morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, if I sound a little stuffy, I am. Let's get past it. But welcome back to my channel. It is me, Jalen, Just Jay, Styles by Jay, coming to you with Styles by Jay on Just Jay today, because I have 3 clients today, and I would vlog all 3 of them, but I might just only do my first one, because my first one is a pink, my first one is a pink wig install, and like, I got to show y'all that one, but I don't know about the other 2. I don't know. I'm dyeing someone's natural hair red, and then a dread retwist after that. So I don't know, but I'm for sure gonna record me doing the pink hair, because pink hair give them whiplash, like, yes, that's what it might have to be. I just got my hair done yesterday. I got these big plaits in my head. It's 12 of them. Nah, F12. It's 11 of them. No, I'm playing. But for real. But I just needed something done in my hair, because, like, I need something done in my hair because I didn't know what else to do to it. And when you don't know, when in doubt, braid it out. Anyways, this is not about me. So I wanted to start off this video because I never do a proper intro. I never do a proper outro. So yeah, it's 8:28. My client at 9:15, but I wanted to leave a little early because I needed to customize the wig, because there was so much going on that I didn't have time in these last 2 days to do it. So I'm gonna do it today. So I took it upon myself to come early. Because one thing I'm not gonna do is customize a wig in front of a client. Like, no, I didn't have you drop it out for no reason. Now, if I customize it right before I do your hair, before you get there, that's one thing, but not in front of you. I ain't gonna do that. It's early, like I said, so I'm probably gonna stop and give me some breakfast, because like I said, I have a whole day from basically 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5 today, period. It's Friday. And it's McDonald's free fry Friday. If you don't do one thing, get you your free medium fry from McDonald's. Like, for real, you gotta buy something that's like a minimum of $1, but that's easy. You could get anything. So yeah, last 2 Fridays I did it, and we're doing it again. Some breakfast from McDonald's. I ain't going to McDonald's if I ain't using my app. I'm sorry. I already don't need to be eating out. I'm using that app, so I sound horrible. Sorry. Not sick or nothing. Got tested for everything. Unfortunately, had to get tested for everything, but everything was negative. It was just a little, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to the shop.
Tell me I can trust you, don't stop. I could really use it. Everybody need love, niggas like me. Tell me I can trust you, and I could really use it. So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out, somehow it always falls through. And I know that I can love, but I just wanna feel love sometimes. Tell me I can trust you, don't stop. I can really lose it. I could use your love. Everybody know my name when I come through, but don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the beamer with you, and swimming in deep water to save me from my sorrow. Swimming in deep, just some pieces I need. So why can't I get that for free? I can trust you, don't stop. I can really use it. I could use your love. I can trust you. Tell me I can trust you. Don't stop. I could really use it.
Everybody need love. Niggas like
Tell me I can trust you. And I could really use it. So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out. Somehow it always falls through. And I know that I get rough, but I just wanna feel love. Sometimes tell me I can trust you. Don't stop. I could really lose it. I could use your life. Everybody know my name when I come through, but don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the Beamer with you, and swimming in deep water to save me from my sorrow. Swimming in deep, just some pieces I need. So why can't I get that for free? I can trust you, don't stop. I can really use it. I could use your love. Tell me I can trust you. Don't stop. I could really use it.
everybody need love. Niggas like
Tell me I can trust you. And I could really use it. So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out. Somehow it always falls through. And I know that I get rough, but I just wanna feel love. Sometimes tell me I can trust you. Don't stop. I can really lose it. I could use your life. Everybody know my name when I come through, but don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the Beamer with you, and swimming in deep water to save me from my sorrow. Swimming in deep, just some pieces I need. So why can't I get that for free? I can trust you, don't stop. I can really use it. I could use your love.
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. Really? Your secret biggest fan is still your friend. We kick shit with everyone. I need some more intimate. You got all the taste for thug is times you kiss off it. Well, I'm thugging to the beach.
from the A with a little butt. I wanna take her somewhere tough. Could cover, but she making them. She on the stage with everyone, yeah. Baby, she tough. Just cop the merch to show support. I hope she's kicking it up.
All these years, I just say one thing. You got friends and they know my body well. Can't be mad, my business out in the streets. I still hope you come see for yourself. Damn, just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. Your secret biggest fan is still your friend. We kick shit with everyone. I need some more intimate. You got all the taste for thugging times you get off it. Well, I'm thugging to the beach. Baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell. I can lose seeing you casually. All my nights sleeping well. Damn, just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush.
If I can find that Nicki Minaj sound on a reel, oh my gosh.
I'm getting way too old to crush. She from the A with a little butt. I wanna take her somewhere tough. Could cover, but she making them. She on the stage with everyone, yeah. Baby, she tough. Just cop the merch to show support. I hope she's kicking it up.
Cute. I didn't think I would like this color.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm glad I got it. I didn't think it was gonna look good on my complexion.
Oh, girl. See, listen. One thing about it, it can, any color can always look good. It's just how you do it. You this is doing it.
I love this color.
I left, and I never wanted to see you again. Not you, not anyone from that world.
Oh yeah.
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 Yes, you did.
It's cute.
No goodbyes, stuff's still just
Girl.
yeah.
I'm gonna have to get a color
Every time.
every time.
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. Your secret biggest fan is still your friend. We kick shit with everyone. I need some more intimate. You got all the taste for thugging times you get off it. Well, I'm thugging to the beach. Baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell. I can lose seeing you casually. All my nights sleeping well. Damn, just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Just a little I'm getting way too old to crush. She from the A with a little butt. I wanna take her somewhere tough. Could cover, but she making them. She on the stage with everyone, yeah. Baby, she tough. Just cop the merch to show support. I hope she's kicking it up. All these years, I just say one thing. You got friends and they know my body well. Can't be mad, my business out in just a little baby crush. It's just a crush. It's just a little baby crush.
Can I show